Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense indent entire in a Microsoft Outlook. So guys, let's start it. At first, open your document. Firstly, select the all text. Mouse or mouse the click and select the all text. And go to the home menu option and click for the indent icon option. And going to the view menu option and click for the ruler option and move to the ruler is left and right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.